Well, since you guys have already seen my pain and suffering, I'm just going to kind of breeze and gloss through putting shit back together. So I'm going to start out by putting the thermostat housing on, and the alternator and condenser. AC thingy doodle holder. Yeah, it's going back on. We're using technical terms today. Shut up. Kablam! Thermostat housing, and of course the gasket have been put in place. And the mounting bracket for the alternator and the AC compressor has also been put in place. And yes, we have an idler pulley thing. Next up, everybody's fun favorite filled adventure, bell housing bolts. Yay. Oh. While I wait for the feeling in my thumb to return, so I don't have a gnarled claw anymore from working on a awkward position bell housing bolt, I remembered that my power steering pump really needed some tender love and care, so I'm going to go ahead and clean this guy up and apply a fresh coat of paint, so hopefully we can, nullify the corrosion and nastiness on it. So we'll do that really quick while I take a break from the bell housing bolts. But 1, 2, 3, 4 in so far? That's pretty good. Wait, no, just kidding. 3 in so far. What do I do with the 4th one? There it is. So here we have the before. Ew. From jumping in and out of the engine bay so much, guess what I discovered? Listen and let me know if you know. Fuck! Join me on a lovely adventure. It was just a matter of time before this happened. Let's take a look. And here we are going into the wheel well. Let's see if we can see this guy. Sort of, maybe. Where is it? Oh yeah, there he is. Yeah. I was like, why is this not going in properly? And I can't really see it, but you can see it now. Dumbass. And here we have the after. Good enough. Next up on the docket, we are going to be cleaning the starter, cleaning that little brace that goes on the front diff and attaches to the transmission. And then our inspection plate really needs to be cleaned up. That is gnarly as fuck. Bruh. Seriously. Yeah, not too shabby. I'll throw it in there. Alright, now that those are clean, torque converter bolts go in, all 4 of them. Throw those guys on there so the cover, the bracket, the starter, can't even remember their names right now because I'm dumb. Connect up the exhaust, then a couple other bolts, and then we'll start putting accessories back on. Me and that boy have hit our next roadblock, trying to put back in the brace that goes between the front diff and the bell housing. Yay. No clue how I'm going to tackle that. Friend has suggested floating the diff and trying that way. It's going to be a royal pain in the ass, so I don't know. Stay tuned.